Professional liability insurance is different from commercial general liability insurance in that it covers the financial loss associated with services provided. So, a professional liability insurance policy is most commonly purchased by consultants, accountants, lawyers, architects and engineers, and all other sorts of professionals that are focused more on providing services to others and advice to others as opposed to physical products. Professional liability insurance is really for the service industry. It covers the financial loss associated with recommendations made and services performed for others. An example of a professional liability claim would be a management consultant encourages the entrance into a new industry. That turns out to go very wrong, and the client of the professional brings a suit against the consultant saying that the advice was poorly researched, it was incomplete, it was just blanket incorrect, and ultimately they suffered a drop in their revenue associated with following that consultant's advice. And they bring a suit against that consultant to say, you're responsible for my dip in revenue because I did what you said I should do, and that resulted in a financial loss on our end. Another professional liability claim scenario would be an accountant provides tax advice and recommendations around various different strategies, deductions, and that sort of thing. And the insured files their taxes accordingly and then receives an audit and subsequent tax liability associated with following that advice. Professional liability insurance covers insureds for allegations that they missed something, that they provided poor recommendations, that they provided a bad strategy. Ultimately, if a client suffers a drop in revenue or they're sued for something as a result of following someone's advice or recommendations, that's where the professional liability policy becomes really valuable to protect the insured.